In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT in Gmail to generate emails for any occasion and check spam score. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. If you want to use AI to generate cold emails or newsletter, then you can do that easily. There is this ChatGPT for Chrome extension that you can use. It can generate emails for you on the fly and shows you its spam score. Install it from Chrome Web Store using the link in the description. After that, you will see its toolbar icon. To start using it, you simply need to open Gmail. Compose a new email. And in the email editor, you will see icons of this extension at the top corner. Now you generate an email, click on the blue pencil icon. It will show you a number of ready-made email types. Just select any type and then let it take care of the rest. It will take a few seconds and then it will write the whole email for you. After an email has been generated, you can send it to anybody you want. Or you can also check the spam score of the generated email. Just click on the green icon of the spam checker and then let it test it. After a few seconds, it will show you the spam score. If it finds the email as spam, then you can rewrite the email again using AI. This is it. You can now use ChatGPT AI in Gmail to generate emails as well as email replies. Feel free to explore other tech videos on our channel and don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.